It feels good to sit down for a bit.
Yeah, my legs are tired too.
This park is busier than I thought.
Many people come here on weekends.
The year's almost over.
Yes, it makes me think more.
Do you have any plan for the new year?
Yes, I want to adopt rescued animals.
More animals at home?
Yes, I already have one, but I want to help more.
That takes time and effort.
I know, but I'm ready for that.
Why do you want to do this now?
Coming home feels warmer with animals.
They change the feeling of a place.
What about you? What is your plan?
I want to join volunteer activities.
With people or animals?
Both, when I have time.
What kind of work do you prefer?
Simple things like helping on weekends.
That's realistic.
I don't want to promise too much.
That's a good way to start.
I just want to do something useful.
Taking care of animals feels useful to me too.
They depend on you every day.
Yes, and that keeps me grounded.
Giving time feels more meaningful.
More than just giving money.
I agree.
There is a shelter near my place.
Really, I didn't know that.
They sometimes need volunteers.
I could go there one weekend.
I can show you the place.
That would help a lot.
Let's talk about it again at work.
Okay, I'll check my schedule. Hi, sorry I'm late.
It's okay, I just arrived.
Time flies. It's almost the new year.
Yeah, only a few days left.
Do you have any plan for the new year?
Yes, my plan is about my health.
Same here. Health matters to me now.
I feel tired too often these days.
Me too. I don't feel fresh in the morning.
What makes you tired?
I sleep late almost every night.
On your phone at night?
Yes, I use my phone too much.
That makes your sleep worse.
I don't want this in the new year.
Same. My back hurts from work.
Z, you sit at the computer all day, right?
Yes, many hours without breaks.
That's hard on your back.
Yes, I feel it every day.
What will you do for your back?
I will stand up and stretch at work.
Is you can do that during work time.
Yes, I plan to do it every hour. What about you? What is your plan for the new year?
My plan is to sleep earlier.
No phone in bed?
Yes, I want better sleep.
Anything else in your plan?
I want to walk every day.
Long walks or short walks?
Short walks are enough for me.
Small plans are easier to keep.
Yes, I don't want a hard plan.
Hey, I like how simple our plans are.
Me too, they feel possible.
I hope next year we feel better.
Me too, less tired, better days.
Let's check again at the end of next year.
Deal. I hope we're both healthier then. Hey, why are you here?
I could ask you the same thing.
It's the end of the year. I thought you'd be with your family.
I was earlier. I just stepped out for some quiet time.
That makes sense. This place is very calm.
Yeah, it helps me clear my head.
The new year is coming very soon.
True, it made me think about my plans.
Do you have any plan for the new year?
Yes, I want to improve my English.
Really? Me too.
My English is okay for reading, but not speaking.
Same. I feel shy when I speak.
I stop myself before I even try.
That makes practice hard.
Yes, but I know I need to practice more.
I like that idea.
What about you? What is your plan?
I want to listen to English every day.
Videos or podcasts?
Simple videos with clear voices.
That can help your listening.
I also want to learn a few new words each day.
Not too many words, right?
Yes, I don't want to feel tired.
Easy plans are easier to keep.
I want to feel more confident next year.
I want to understand people better.
Language really helps in daily life.
Yes, at work and outside too.
I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too. It feels clearer now.
This meeting feels like a good way to end the year.
Yeah, a calm ending and a fresh start.
The line is longer than usual today.
Yeah, many people are out these days.
It feels like everyone is slowing down.
End of the year does that.
The year is almost over.
Yeah, it went by so fast.
Do you have any plan for the new year?
Yes, I want to spend more time with my family.
I was thinking about that too.
I didn't see my family much this year.
Same. I was busy almost every week.
Sometimes days just passed.
I missed many meals at home.
Me too. I ate outside a lot.
That didn't feel good.
Yeah, it felt a bit empty.
So, family is important in your plan now?
Yes. More than before,
What do you want to change first?
I want to eat dinner with my family more often.
Even on busy days,
Yes, I want to make time. What about you? What is your plan?
I want to visit my parents every week.
That's a good idea.
I don't want to wait for special days.
Normal days matter too.
I also want to call my family more.
Calls feel closer than texts.
Yes, I miss hearing their voices.
Family time helps me feel calm.
Me too. It helps me reset.
Work can wait sometimes.
Family moments don't always wait.
I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too. It feels important.
This coffee wait feels different now.
Yeah, not rushed anymore.
A nice way to end the year.
And a warmer way to start the next one. The bus is late again today.
Yeah, it's always slow at night.
I feel tired after work.
Same. Long days lately?
The year is almost over.
Yeah, and expenses add up.
Do you have any plan for the new year?
Yes, I want to earn some extra income.
Really? I was thinking the same.
My salary is not enough these days.
Same. Prices keep going up.
It makes saving very hard.
So extra income is part of your plan?
Yes, a small side job.
Not a second full-time job, right?
No, I don't want to be too tired.
What kind of work are you thinking of?
Simple online work in the evening.
That fits your schedule.
Yes, I can do it at home. What about you? What is your plan?
I want to sell things online.
Clothes or handmade items?
Clothes first. I already have some ideas.
That's a good start.
I don't want big risks.
Same. Slow and safe is better.
I plan to start small.
Small income is still helpful.
I want less money stress.
Me too. I want more balance.
Extra income gives more choices.
Yes, it feels safer.
I don't want to rush this plan.
Same. I want to learn as I go.
Talking about this makes me feel lighter.
Me too. It feels more real now.
The bus is coming.
Perfect timing to start something.
Yeah, a steady step into the new year. The office feels very quiet today.
Yes, many people took leave already.
It really feels like the end of the year.
Yeah, work is slowing down.
The new year is coming soon.
True, it makes me think a lot.
Do you have any plan for the new year?
Yes, I want to start a family. I feel ready now.
That's a big decision. What made you feel ready?
My parents are getting older.
You want to spend more time with them?
Yes, and I don't want them to worry about me.
That's very thoughtful.
Also, going home alone feels empty.
I get that.
I want a warm home after work.
That makes sense.
What about you? What is your plan?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Really?
Yes. So my plan is simple.
You want to have a boyfriend next year?
Yes. I don't want to be alone anymore.
Office life can feel lonely sometimes.
Especially after work. I want someone to talk to at the end of the day.
I hope the new year brings good changes.
Me too. In love and life.
Work is important, but life matters too.
I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too. It feels more real now.
This office feels different today.
Yeah, more quiet and thoughtful.
I feel clearer about my plan.
Same here. I want a warmer year ahead.